Are you considering moving to Gulf Breeze, Florida, and you want to be close to Pensacola Beach and Pensacola? Well, today I am going to tour a 5-bedroom, 3-bath right in Gulf Breeze, close to the 3 Mile Bridge, and also close to boutiques such as Jen's Designer Deals, Pizzazz, Gibson Girl, close to restaurants such as Lillo's Italian Restaurant, and also close to Walmart and Publix. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So today we are going to tour a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage in Gulf Breeze proper. It has a 2-story foyer, a chandelier. It also has a formal family room and a formal dining room. Another chandelier. The whole house has the Plantation shutters. This is hardwood flooring and tile through the rest of the house. The bedrooms do have carpeting, and the formal living room does have carpeting as well. So as we walk into the kitchen, the chef's kitchen, this is granite countertops. You do have the 2 sinks do have an gas countertop, cooktop. You got views from the backyard with the pool, in-ground pool. There is an oversized walk-in pantry right off the kitchen. Lighting above the cabinets. Here is the oversized walk-in pantry. Plenty of shelving, rack for wine. There's also right off the kitchen is a hobby room you can use to do crafts or have it as an office. It already has built-in cabinets in it as well. And then through the hobby room is the laundry room. Has cabinets as well and shelving. Coming back through the hobby room, you do have the living room with the built-in shelving, Plantation shutters, and that's a gas fireplace with the hardwood flooring. The breakfast nook that has an access to the outdoor, to the backyard with the in-ground pool. We'll take a walk out to the in-ground pool. It is a liner pool. Fenced in. And some beautiful vegetation in the backyard as well. The main floor does have the main bedroom and an additional bedroom on the first floor, And then there are 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. You have another closet over here. Lots of storage space. We come back through the kitchen and you have the door here as well to shut off the kitchen. You're entertaining and the chef is cooking in the kitchen and you have your company in the formal dining room. You can close the door. There's also here again is the formal family room with access to the backyard and the pool. We're gonna go back to the 2 bedrooms. This too also has the door that you can close off. A lot of convenience if there's someone sleeping back here, you can close the door. There's also another closet here right in the hallway. So we're going to take a look at the first guest room. It's on the first floor. It is in the front of the house with the plantation shutters. The coolest thing is there's this little storage cubby that you can crawl into. It's under the stairs. It is the neatest thing. Kids would love this little storage space back here. They could play back here and come back out. There is also crown molding. You come across, there's crown molding through the whole house as well. There is the first full bathroom is downstairs with a single vanity and a tub shower combo. It does have access to the pool as well in the backyard. And we come back out, we go into the main bedroom here. The main bedroom does have recessed lighting, the crown molding, access to the pool lanai, does have the plantation shutters, and the main bathroom has 2 separate vanities and a garden tub, a water closet, and a huge walk-in that already has the shelving in it. And then the shower. This is a tiled shower. So we come back out of the main bedroom and come down the hallway. We're going to go upstairs. We'll come out to the foyer. This is the 2-story foyer. We're going to go upstairs to the 3 additional bedrooms and wait until you see what else is up there. We do have a chandelier going up the stairs. What is really wonderful on the landing here is it does have this door as well. So if people are sleeping up here and you're having a gathering, you can close that door to keep it quieter up here for someone sleeping. This is a closer view of the chandelier in the foyer. And there's also another chandelier that goes in the stairwell. So we're going to go into the first bedroom upstairs. This bedroom is in the front of the house. It does have the plantation shutters and got the organizer in the closet and a door that has access to the attic. You come out of the first bedroom upstairs, which would be the 3rd bedroom total. There's a shared bathroom upstairs. There's 2 vanities, separate vanities. and a tub shower combo. The tile flooring. And this is the surprise. This can be used as a media room, a playroom. It's wonderful space. If you have extra company, they can have their own private area to sit and watch TV or just for gatherings. Now we're going to go into the second bedroom upstairs, which would be the fourth bedroom. So the fourth bedroom is in the back of the house. You'll have views of the pool. It does have the plantation shutters and also a big walk-in closet with the shelving. Another view of the plantation shutters. So here is another view of the media room, playroom, whatever you want to turn it into. This would be the last bedroom, bedroom number 5, or the third bedroom upstairs. This bedroom also is in the front of the house, the plantation shutters. Does have the shelving, the organizer in the closet as well, and another access to the attic. So if you are considering moving to Gulf Breeze, want to be close to Pensacola Beach, Pensacola, looking for a 5-bedroom, 3-bath with a 3-car garage and a pool, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.